Yes, my fans out there, welcome. I still remain Dr. D.I. June. This time around now, I lecture on biology. I've been lecturing on chemistry, but right away, I lecture on biology. Not every topic anyway, but some specific and interesting subject matter I wanted to discuss about. So, now we are explaining the various terms that we have seen in the topic here. After the introduction, we have discussed about genetics, we have talked about heredity. That was just my previous lecture. We're talking about now variation. So, what is variation? In the ordinary English language, when something varies, that's difference. Of course, if I say I vary from you, it means me and you are not the same. So differences. But in context of this issue now, let's talk about variation. It is defined as what? The morphological and physiological differences which occur within a species, which could be hereditary or acquired from the environment. Let me come once again. Variation is defined as the morphological differences and the physiological differences which occur within species, which could be hereditary or may be acquired from the environment. So it means from here, not saying that differences between people can be as a result of what they acquire from the environment where they live. For instance, now somebody is living in Nigeria here, and you from here go to Jamaica, and the kind of slang they speak there was not here in Nigeria. And living there for some time, you begin to speak the slangs. That's a kind of variation. But then you come back here, your way of talking will not be the same with the Nigerians here. That's a variation. Now, even though offspring may resemble their parents, they can differ also from them and from one another. That is true. Now, two, three, four children of Mr. and Mrs. A, they may not, though they may be looking alike than the mother or father, sometimes they may not look like the father or the mother, but they will look like themselves. And even within the ambit of that resemblance, one or two among them from the same parents will look quite different. You see, you look quite different. By the time you see them somewhere, you are asking, who's your mother? You will call the name. Who's your mother? You will call the same person, the same woman's name. Then who's your father? You will call the same father's name. But you don't look like I told you are looking very different. Such things can still occur. That's a variation. Children may come from the same parents, same father and mother, and they look different from each other. It is possible. For example, all human beings have human features, but each differ from the other. Hence, each person can be recognized. Can you see now? That's the reason why we can recognize people. Now, if somebody is tall, one is short, maybe one person the eye is big and one the eye is small, one person the neck is long and the neck is short. These are various features you can see in the body of human beings, which you can use in describing and also differentiating one person from the other. These differences between individuals of the same species are called variations. So these different features, different aspects of human being lives that you can see on a person, which can give you the grace to distinguish or differentiate between one person and another, are called variations. And that's why even in education, that's what we call individual differences. Now, in the classroom situation where you have tall boys and girls and short ones or average, you as a teacher, you have to arrange the class in such a way that the tall ones or the taller ones will be at the back, at the extreme, followed by those that are average, and then the short one, so that one person will not be able to shade off the board from those behind. These are classroom management. And then some people, they have eyesight. They cannot see far. Some can see very far. So you have to adjust. All these are what? Individual differences, and their variations. So please like it, comment, follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.